Good morning students. Today we will learn chapter 3 charts in Excel. In this chapter you will learn about a chart and its elements, the different types of charts, how to create charts and combo charts, and how to edit and format and remove charts. So let's begin the chapter. What is a chart? A chart in Excel is called a graph. It is a pictorial representation of data. It is a powerful tool that allows to represent the data in different chart formats such as bar chart, column chart, pie chart, line chart, and so on. Let us see this example. In this example, the tabular data of admission records is presented in the column chart, which helps in understanding the data better than just by looking at the numbers. If it is represented in a chart form, data is more understandable and readable. So let's see the benefits of chart. It helps in understanding the large quantities of data better. It makes data analysis simpler and captures the interest of audience because of the visual appeal. It provides an easier way to read and understand the data. Now let's see the elements of the chart. The different elements of the chart are: first we will see the value axis. It is the vertical axis of a chart, which is called value axis or y-axis. The horizontal axis of a chart is called the x-axis or the category axis. The data series are the bars or slices that represents the data values in a chart. Data points. Data points are plotted in the chart. Data labels. Data labels are used for identifying details of data points. Legend. Legend displays the plotted data series with the predefined symbols and the name of the series. It also assigns unique color to each series to differentiate it with the other data series. Chart area. Chart area is the total region of a chart in which the chart is defined. Plot area. Plot area is that area in which the data is represented. Chart title. Chart title is the title given to the chart. Axis title are the titles given to both y-axis and x-axis. Now let's see the different types of charts. So first we will see the column chart. A column chart is used to represent the data in vertical bars. It gives a clear view of the highest, lowest and intermediate values. This type of chart is used for illustrating comparisons among different values. The next chart is line chart. Line chart displays trends over time using the points. All the points are connected to lines. A line chart can be used to show daily changes in stock market, monthly temperature changes, weather forecasting. Height grows with the age. These all type of data can be represented with the line chart. The next chart we will see is the pie chart. Pie chart is also known as circular chart. It displays data points of individual items as a percentage of the whole. You can see here the admission records data represented in the pie chart. The pie is subdivided into slices Each slice is representing the data values of different streams. That is the arts, science and maths. The next chart is the bar chart. Bar chart represents the data using horizontal bars. In column chart you have seen that the data are represented using the vertical bars, but in bar chart the data is represented using the horizontal bars. The area chart. Area chart represents the time tracking qualities like a line chart, but also displays relative proportions very well with the help of colors. The colors are filled in the areas below the lines. It looks more attractive than the line chart. The next chart is XY scatter chart. The XY chart is the chart where the X and the Y variables are plotted. So this type of chart plots the X and Y variables. This type of chart is widely used for plotting statistical and engineering data. The Y and the X axis point will be plotted in the XY or the scatter chart. We will continue the next portion in the next video. Thank you.